Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terminal Classic LUNC. Remember, we have been talking about Terminal Classic to 1 penny, Terminal Classic to 1 cent, because that has been the dream, that has been the target all this while. But Terminal Classic recent form, Terminal Classic recent statistics shows that it is still possible. You see, it is possible. Within the past 14 days, Terminal Classic have recorded high trading volume more than what they've recorded in the past 3 months. This is good for Terminal Classic. And in terms of coins being traded, Terminal Classic in the past 14 days have also recorded more coins being traded more than what has been traded in the past 3 months, and all this occurred within the period of 3 days. So that shows that don't be surprised to see Terminal Classic market cap jumping to $2 to $3 billion, even jumping up to $5 billion market cap within a space of 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, or 1 month. There's a possibility, because we all saw what happened as of a few days ago. So it means there is hope. Once they get it right, once they are on the right track, things can change. Once Terminal Classic start getting it right, so many things can change within a twinkle of an eye. So many things can change. So 1 penny, 1 cent, yes, there is hope. And I'm happy that, of course, they're planning on how to help this coin before the end of next month, July, gets to $800 or $1 billion market cap. And from there, they can pick up to the next. So let's hope for the best. But I'm not saying you should go and pump in money. I'm not saying you should go and buy more Terminal Classic coin. I'm not saying you should go and invest more in Terminal Classic. You just have to be careful. You have to do your own research. You have to be very sure of what you are trading, of what you are buying. That is a golden rule. And remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. This is very important. Once again, thank you for stopping by.